Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to draw metalgarurumon. You guys must know metalgarurumon is a steel and flying type Pokemon, and in Digimon Adventure, he is the Warp Mega Digivolved form of Gabumon. If you must know, Wargreymon and metalgarurumon, they managed to digivolve to a power level beyond ultimate level, and they use that power to defeat Venomyotismon. Sorry, I get sidetracked and I have bad lip moving. Anyways, next, if you want to draw him, you must start with the eye, then scroll down, and let's see if you guys can get this working just fine. Okay then. Okay, next up you just gotta draw the nose. As you must know, his nose is red, like Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer red. If you think that's funny, make sure to leave a comment below. Now I'm started thinking about Rudolph. If you guys like that special, be sure to stand by and let me know. There we go. Next up, we're just going to draw the whiskers here. Make sure I like 4 of them here. Okay, glad I got that done. Now, he's like in... There we go. There we go. There's his head. Okay, next up, you just gotta add some spikes here. There we go. We're getting closer, you guys. There we go. Next up, just gotta draw the There we go. Here's his arm. So, metalgarurumon has wings. I don't know why he has those things on his back. I think it's for fashion sense, I guess. After all, a flying dog would be an awesome invention. I mean, there are a few animals that could fly in mythology. There's the griffin, the chimera, and I think there's the Pegasus. There we go. Next thing is that you gotta, you know, I don't know what's going on with me today. Sorry, I did that. Anyways, next up, you just gotta draw. Almost done, you guys. We're nearly there. I know the picture's getting a bit too small, but we'll get used to it. Next up, you just gotta draw the foot here. Listen. I have a question. Listen, I'm wearing I am wearing a sign. There we go. There we go. And that's how you draw a metalgarurumon. That was easy enough, wasn't it? So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Oh yeah, I forgot to add the heels here. When you draw him, you need to add the heels and add a few stripes to them. And there, that's how it's done. Be sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time.